Oh wow, those are one of the darkest clouds I've ever seen since I was out here.
Wow. Honestly, I think it's a tornado.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my god, the sky doesn't get that bad.
No,
Oh,
I just
shit.
seen a bunch of lightning.
Maybe we should all go downstairs. Oh my god, it looks like a tornado. Oh shit, oh shit.
I just seen a bunch of lightning come right here. It was just electrified.
That's awesome. Oh, I saw that. Oh, wow, man. How does the air feel? I don't know. Oh, dear God. Jesus Christ. Oh, I didn't know you put me on YouTube fixing the washer.
No, I didn't.
Wow, look at that. Did you see that? Did you get it?
Yeah, I think I did. I know.
Oh, stand here. You can see some better lighting. Wow. Stand right here. You can really see it right here, right through all the houses. Holy. Watch, there's going to be another crack in a minute.
That's really bad.
That really, yeah.
I haven't seen this.
At least you agree. It looks like a friggin' tornado, doesn't it?
Yeah. I've seen a tornado cloud go over Simcoe, but that was the Goderich one.
Oh, in Calgary, there's so many people too. Oh,
Well, if you start here, my mom said, well, if you start hearing a train roaring, get to the basement. I'm like, why? I want to get it on film. I'll be the only crazy.
You're hanging on the top of a tree with your feet up in the air. I got it.
Jacob, will get in the basement. I'm like,
I got
no.
it. Take a picture of me getting it.
I would too.
Yeah, I believe that. Yeah, the air feels like it's going upward.
You can feel, yeah, it's all.
It's moving upward.
Look at that, right there.
It's definitely a tornado.
It's sucking a lot of energy up. I don't think it's gonna hit. I think it's gonna hit over there.
I don't know. There's been a lot of tornadoes last night and today in Airdrie and surrounding areas. You know how far Airdrie is from us?
Maybe about 15 minutes.
20 minutes.
So it's like going from
Claire's home is only like 20 minutes from us. And that was... Oh, listen. Listen.
That's a plane.
Not to the plane. No. Listen. Tree frogs. Yes, it's definitely going to be really bad over there. You can't hear tree frogs in a storm unless it's like really, really bad. Well, we may have to have our kids downstairs.
That's why I'm not going to worry about it right now. If that cloud was over us, I would be like, yeah.
This is really awesome. I love storms. I was born in a storm. That's probably why. Jacob likes storms too. He likes sitting and eating popcorn. We should get some popcorn made and we should all sit in the garage and watch the lightning, and thunder, and maybe it's not a tornado.
Oh, it's got a hell of a lot of energy.
I can hear the tree frogs though. Usually don't hear them unless it's really bad weather coming. It's gonna rain any minute or either that or it's gonna hail.
Another storm in Calgary. Look at that.
And here I am sick outside. Oh, listen to it. Awesome. See, there's gonna be a big boom.
No.
Alright, I'm gonna save.